guys, my name is Enyo Tanaka and today I will explain new video tutorial about how to fix error when you open tutoapp. You can see calm down, the loading failed, remote service error. To fix this you need to follow some steps. Step 1. Open your Play Store and type virtual private network and you can don't install it, you can install, and next step is open. Click in location, choose your location. I choose United States, San Francisco. Now open again, click refresh, and you can see this error now is fixed. If you have any question, just comment in my description. Subscribe to my channel and like my video.